kosherus, but it's not like directly related to what we spoke about
Okay,
today.
go ahead.
So what happens when we mix in the same preparation glatt kosher meat and regular kosher meat? What happens then?
What is a regular kosher meat? I don't understand. What is it?
You know, like there's like levels of kosher, right? There's like meat that is actually more kosher than others. It's like kosher and glatt kosher, which is like super kosher.
Okay. So there is that's the thing. So if they say it's kosher meat, it means it's not kosher. So if it's not glatt kosher, or for Ashkenazim, or Beis Yosef is for Sephardim, it's not kosher. It's not. I think I said this story. I did an investigation when they say it's kosher. So when they don't say it glatt, look, it's only one word. So I mean, if they wanted to be sellable, they would put glatt, but they don't. They're not allowed to put glatt for a purpose. And there is a company in the United States. It's called. They make these hot dogs, right? It's famous hot dogs, Hebrew National. So how can you go wrong with the hot dogs when it says Hebrew National hot dogs and it says it's kosher? How can you go wrong? Guess what? It's triangle K supervision, and they say it's kosher. So they never claimed it's glatt kosher, and it was a big uproar some time ago, like when our Orthodox people went against it. But these guys, they never said it's glatt kosher. So you want to rely on our kosher. It's kosher. They basically, when they say kosher, they don't check everything. So according to the lenient opinion, that okay, but it's not glatt kosher. So if it's not glatt kosher, so glatt it means it's smooth. So just a little summary. So smooth. We're talking about lungs when we check the lungs. So and there is some like perforation in the lungs, so it's very dangerous. So meaning that the animals were sick. So it says perforation. We don't know it was after the death, before the death, and there is a like if it's very smooth or not very smooth. There is some like openings as it going to cover, or it's like from long time. So that's what they mean glatt kosher. So glatt kosher, like so if it's not. So it's according to lenient opinion, not everybody agrees. So we try not to say that it's kosher at all. So no Orthodox person would buy this kosher thing. And I bought it once. I don't know if I told the story. It was on internet. It was like from Amazon, and it was a good price. And it was Brooklyn kosher. Brooklyn. How can you go wrong with Brooklyn kosher? And then we bought it. It's a good stamp, looks good. And then we received it, and I decided to find out what is it. What is this Brooklyn kosher? Brooklyn Jewish town, right? Where is it, bro? And guess what? This Brooklyn kosher, not even in Brooklyn, in somewhere in different states, Montana or something. And they gave me the phone number of the guy that do the slaughter. And of course, I pretend to be like I'm naive consumer. I ask him many questions, and I realize it's not kosher at all. Whatever they do. Okay, maybe I mean it is slaughter, but it's same you can buy halal, right? It's same kosher as halal, so it's not basically. But according to some opinion, they put kosher, but never glatt kosher. That's what alarmed me, of course, and I started doing this investigation. Of course, we returned, they refund the money, but okay, I would say it was our fault. We had to check more thoroughly before buying like new brand. But okay, they also cannot deceive, just say it's Brooklyn kosher. It has nothing to do with Brooklyn. Understand? Okay. So that meat, is it non-kosher? So if it was, I would say if it was cold, maybe it's not that such a big problem. Maybe yes, maybe no. So we just kosher that utensil that was mixed. But I would say like after the fact, maybe you are allowed to eat the mixture after the fact, because there is a doubt whether that kosher meat is kosher or not, right? Some signs they do check. Okay.